Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change the display size of your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Motorola One. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to display, okay, click display. And okay guys, here in display, okay, you can see the advanced, okay, click advanced. And okay guys, here in advanced, okay, below you can see the display size. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the display size to change the size of your display size. And okay guys, now here, make the item on your screen smaller or larger. Some apps on your screen may change position. And okay guys, to change the display size, okay, you can adjust to the left or to the right. And okay guys, okay, I set into large. And okay guys, okay, that's it. We have successfully changed the display size of your Motorola One XT1941-4. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.